I'm here today with a Match Attax pack opening. I've got 5 packs to open. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 packs to open, and just go through them. We've got a Liverpool forward from Lambert, him there. We've got Son Young from Swansea. Ross Barkley there from Everton. Got Chris Baird from West Brom. Got Harry Kane, midfielder from there, from Tottenham, been in form right now. We've got Kouyaté, I think, yeah, that's him. Hands maybe in the way. Then I have got Robert Snodgrass, Scottish, plays for Hull now. We've got Shawnee Evans. There he is. My silver, yes. Dennis Bergkamp. There he is. Great player. He's got 96 shooting, 99 skills. Yeah, and we've got White Gale, man of the match there.